All men and women know that the foundation of law and commerce exists in the telling of the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth. Truth as a valid statement of reality is sovereign in commerce. An unrebutted affidavit stands as truth in commerce. An unrebutted affidavit is acted upon as the judgment in commerce. Guaranteed. All men shall have a remedy by the due course of law. If a remedy does not exist, or if the existing remedy has been subverted, then one may create a remedy for themselves and endow it with credibility by expressing it in their affidavit. Ignorance of the law might be an excuse, but it is not a valid reason for the commission of a crime when the law is easily and readily available to anyone making a reasonable effort to study the law. All corporate government is based upon commercial affidavits, commercial contracts, commercial liens, commercial distresses. Hence, governments cannot exercise the power to expunge commercial process. The legitimate political power of a corporate entity is absolutely dependent upon its upon its possession of commercial bonds against public hazard. Because no bond means no responsibility, means no power of official signature, means no real corporate political power, means no privilege to operate status as the corporate vehicle. The corporate legal power is secondary to commercial grantors. Case law is not a responsible substitute for a bond. Municipal corporations, which include cities, counties, states, and national governments, have no commercial realty without bonding of the entity, its vehicle, statutes, and its effects, and execution of its rulings. In commerce, it is a felony for the officer of a political public office to not receive and report a claim to its bonding company, and it is a felony for the agent of a bonding company to not pay the claim. If a bonding company does not get a malfeasant public official prosecuted for criminal malpractice within 60 days, then it must pay the full face value of the defaulted lien process at 90 days. Excerpt for a jury. It is also a fatal offense for any person, even a judge, to impair or to expunge without a counter affidavit, any affidavit or any commercial process based upon an affidavit. Judicial, non-jury commercial judgments and orders originate from a limited liability entity called a municipal corporation, hence must be reinforced by a commercial affidavit and a commercial liability bond. A foreclosure by a summary judgment, non-jury, without a commercial bond is a violation of commercial law. Governments cannot make unbounded rulings or statutes which control commerce, free enterprise, citizens, or sole proprietorships without suspending commerce by a general declaration of martial law. I'm going to read it again. Governments cannot make unbonded rulings or statutes which control commerce, free enterprise citizens, or sole proprietorships without suspending commerce by a general declaration of martial law. Bonded is the key. It is the tax fraud to use courts to settle a dispute controversy which could be settled peacefully outside or without the court. An official, officer of the court, policeman, etc., must demonstrate that he or she is individually bonded in order to use a summary process. An official who impairs, debauches, voids, or abridges an obligation of a contract or effect of a commercial lien without proper cause becomes a lien debtor, and his or her property becomes forfeited as the pledge to secure the lien. Bond, breach of impoundment, and rescue is a felony. It is against the law for a judge to summarily remove, dismiss, dissolve, or diminish a commercial lien. Only the lien claimant or a jury can dissolve a commercial lien. Notice to agent is notice to principal. Notice to principal is notice to agent. I do believe a commercial lien has just been dissolved recently. And I believe it was dissolved by the person who had signed it. And this can be found on yellowbrickroad.net under probate and other law. You'll find the lien located there that has just been dissolved. Yellowbrickroadtour.net, probate and other law. Good day.